Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to create the animation named Get Arrested in the workplace or in the office. How to create that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I will use here is Pixverse.ai, and here I am accessing it via website or from the PC. However, if you would like to open it from your smartphone, don't worry, because this AI also accessible into your smartphone, whether that into the Android or the iOS phone or even the tab guys. And also don't forget to do the login first with your email, because they will also give you several credits over here. And let's say if you run out of the credit today, don't worry, because this Pixverse will also renew the credits. There are 60 credits that will give it to you, and it will also renew at 0 UTC following your time zone. And this will be the homepage of this Pixverse, and you will see that you can start to transform the image or the text into the video, and you will see the creations from another user if you scroll down here. And since we would like to create the animation, so we need the template over here. Well, you can start to hunting the template into this section or this section guys. And for example, you can start to scroll down here and you will see who's arrested like this, and after that you can click go create. And after this template being set, after that you can start to select a picture from your gallery or your from device. For example, I will choose this one, and since the animations is about the get arrest or getting arrested in the workplace or in the office, so make sure that you have a photo, let's say from someone maybe or from yours, just to make it fun. And the photo was taken in the office or in the workplace like this guys. And after that you can simply continue to click create. But if you would like to try the several settings over here, like the duration and also the pixel, sound and auto speech, or even change the version or the model, then you can try to click this setting. And after that you can click create over here and kindly wait for the result, maybe only 1 minute for the generation process. And after that you will see the result or the output like this. Suddenly there is a cop or a police coming to this man and arrested this man. So isn't that fun, right? And you can start to download it. And if you would like to download it without the watermark, so you need to upgrade it into the pro version guys, and you can start to purchase their package and choose the package. Which one do you prefer? Like this. There are standard, pro and premium. And you can, if you are okay about the watermark, then you can simply click download and click this watermark, and it will officially save into your gallery. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.